Some of you have probably seen this tweet already from Hosea Burton. He wasn't impressed with Anthony Yarde's performance against Sek. Is it Darius Sek? I forget the guy's name. The last guy Anthony Yarde fought. Hosea Burton said, Anthony Yarde is useless. Why people think he's good is beyond me. I'd knock him out inside 5 rounds. You know me, I like trash talk. I like fighters calling other fighters out. And when it's a domestic call out, even better. So yeah, I'm glad that Hosea Burton is being vocal about the situation. And he's obviously looking for direction in his career at the moment, because ever since he lost to Frank Buglioni, yeah, he ain't been fighting great opposition. He's been trying to get himself either a rematch with Frank Buglioni or one of the other domestic rivals. That's who Hosea Burton's been looking for, and good luck to him in trying to get a showdown with somebody meaningful. And Anthony Yarde is the latest person he's angling for a shot against. Obviously, Hosea Burton was supposed to fight Anthony Yarde anyway in a British title eliminator, and Anthony Yarde's team turned it down. Well, I hope that Anthony Yarde's team have a change in heart and they do consider Hosea Burton as an opponent, because I think that is a fight a lot of people would like to see. Yeah, I think there's a lot of British boxing fans that would like to see this. It would sell a lot of tickets. A lot of people would come out to see Anthony Yarde against Hosea Burton. I'm telling you, they would, because that would represent his first actual fight. Someone who's coming there with real intent, someone who's coming there with a winning mentality, who actually has some ability. I mean, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Hosea Burton hasn't proved himself to be anything above British level so far. But I would argue that the guys Anthony Yarde has fought are beneath British level. I know they might have high rankings in the WBO and all that kind of stuff, but when I look at the British scene, the Hosea Burtons and the Callum Johnsons of the world, even Frank Buglionis, these guys are better than the guys that Anthony Yarde has been fighting. So, yeah, I hope Team Yarde have a change of heart and they actually entertain this fight. And if they do, will Hosea Burton's prediction come true? Will he get rid of Anthony Yarde inside 5 rounds? I hope we get to find out one way or another who would win the fight by them stepping in the ring. So let me know what you feel about this in the comment section below, people. It's happening. I'm out.